Hi, welcome back to C Programming. I'm your Dr. Vasu. Now we are going to see how the dates are handled in structures. Hope you can, here you can find other interesting topics as well along with the C Programming. Do subscribe the channel and get alerts. Sharing these programs in the Google Drive, and you can find the link in the description. Okay, now let us see how the dates are handled here in structures. Suppose we have defined a date here, structure, a date. It has three elements like day, month, and year. And here, when you define a structure, these are the fields. It shows like this. Now, we are declaring a variable named joining date. Joining date is a variable, and it is of a structure date type. So structure date already we have mentioned. So this is a variable. Okay. Now I want to suppose assign data here in this. You take a joining date and the name of the field dot day is equal to 15 and dot month, right? Variable name is same. For this, the dot month second field 6 and year 2022. When you declare or when you initialize the data here, they are stored like this. So 15, 6, 22. Now I want to display the data here like this, each one separately. The variable name, dot field name, day, second field name, dot month, and dot year, third field name. Close the program and now compile and run it. Now you get the output as joining day, because we have given separately in each printf statement. All the three fields are displayed here separately. 15, 6, 2022. So suppose I don't want to display it like this. I want to display as in our custom notation, right? So we have used this joining day, joining date, variable name, dot day, comma, right? In the same one printf statement, we have given all the three fields names. So when you show that here, all the joining date is represented as displayed as the 15/6/2022 as our general custom notation. We show the date. So like this, the dates are displayed. Let's take another example. So structure date is taken. Date is the variable here. Now date is the different. We are defining the structure with the name date. Now, so the fields are created. Purchase date is equal to initializing the data. When you define a data here, and next stage you have to declare the data and initialize. Declaration part is over up to here, right? Up to this, that this is the declaration. That is, purchase date is the variable, and we are declaring it as a structure named date. That means integer x like. So this purchase date is variable, and we have declared it as a structure date. Now I want to assign the data here, that is the date, month, and year. The day, month, and year are assigned like this, and this data is related to the different fields. Now, to display this date, we have taken the only one printf statement, and here the variable name purchase date dot day, and another one purchase date dot month, and purchase date dot year. Variable names must be there, and then dot and field names. All these field names should be provided. So here the output will be like this. The purchase date is 10/5/1998. Okay. Now, suppose, is it possible? Yes. Without even mentioning, it is the purchase date can be declared and even assigned with some data like this. How the data is, the structure is defined, right? Structure, name, date is defined with the three fields, day, month, and year. And again, after this, in the next statement, we use it to declare. In the earlier statements, we have seen that struct date and purchase date. That is the way, but not necessary. You need not even repeat this structure date after just this completion of this statement. After this curly brackets, if you just mention the variable name, here in this case it is purchase date, and it is equal to the initialization data, the data to put the variable names. So right, so for this variable, this variable purchase date is declared as date structure, and the values are stored here, and these are the values. Now we are going to display all these elements here like this. So purchase date is 15/7/2006. So like this, we'll be handling the date. Okay. So in the next video, we will see the different types of data elements and how to handle them. Right. Hope you had understood this topic very well. And if you have any queries or suggestions, please do comment, do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.